spending some more time editing. I'll show you all the things that I've been doing this week, little and big. But yeah, today I'm just gonna be editing a bit more. I've got a movie up that I'm kind of breaking down, and yeah, that's all I can share because it's top secret. Patrick and I are doing a pop-up for Olive Theory Photography. That's Patrick's and my photography company, and we're trying to basically grow to be a wedding photography company. But for now, we just, want to get our name out there and, maybe get some shoots for people's holiday photos. So we're having a little pop-up at the Brewster Fall Festival. And so I'm putting... Thank you, Wilson. I'm not making this announcement with his ass. Okay, there we go. So I'm making basically like a photo shoot setup of Wilson. Hello. Oh my God, you're ridiculous. Oh, okay. So I'm making a photo booth setup. It's gonna be a really pretty, like, floating flowers kind of concept. So I just went to Michael's this week with Patrick, and I went to Goodwill, and we got some really pretty antique stuff. I'm really excited. It's gonna be really fun and pretty and floral and magical. Making photo booths isn't what we do necessarily, but it's just fun crafting, and it's a fun way of just getting our name out there and getting people to know who we are, and giving Patrick a little bit of time to work with each couple or each family that comes by and just give them a couple fun memories while they're at the festival. So I'm really excited for it, and it's gonna be fun, and I'll show you the process of me building all that. But in this video, I'm gonna be just showing you all the stuff that I'm gathering together to make it come alive. So I'm excited to show it to you. Yeah, all right, enjoy the video.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Are you happy?
Very happy.
such a patient man. Coming with my wife to see all this stuff.
Did you say you're patient?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of lies are you telling people? So I've decided I can make little pretty flower arrangements in the meantime until I hang all these up. But now I'm like kind of attached to them. I kind of want just flower arrangements in the house all the time. Look at how pretty these look. I'm on a procrastination roll. I think I'm gonna tackle getting the plumbing fixed in the bathroom. I'm just recording this because I might get myself to start it. I read online that I need to pry off the handles and see if the circle-y thingies, the rubber circle things, I can't remember what those are called, but if those are worn down and I just need to replace that, or if it's something that's within the pipes and I need to like fully replace, I don't know if gasket is the right word for it, but something like that. Can you chill? Have some manners? Oh. Did I say that? It's spicy, huh? Spicy. Yeah, I'm hoping I'll record that sometime today. Or do it. We'll see. I'll investigate further today for sure. Yeah, okay. Cutie. How do we think I take these off? Huh? So this is really risky because if this falls in, it's going into a litter bag of shit. So, you know, high stakes. Yes. Oh, that immediately didn't work. Oh, it popped out so quickly. Let's do the rest. Of course, not everything's easy. So I got that one. 2 more to go. That was quick work. Okay, so I've gotten this far. I got off, there's like a little thing in here, and then a tubey thing, and these things. This was the tubey thing. The tubey thing attached to this thing, which attached to that thing. But I broke these, so these need to be replaced, but I don't even know how to get them out, so. Hi, Google. It's tough because plumbers are really expensive, so I want to do this by myself, but plumbing is incredibly difficult because it all seems fine, and then you go to turn it on and everything's leaking, and I don't want to leak. But this shower, oh my God, it was not built right, but I don't want to pay for a whole nother shower yet. I'm like, I know in the future I'm gonna have to pay for a new shower and it's gonna be fine, but I don't want to do that yet. I just don't. Sorry. How would you feel if I removed the top half of this tub room?
What do you mean the top half?
So that we could access the water things in the back.
I would not do it because it's probably full of rat poop. I know.
That's terrifying.
It's gonna be a much bigger task than a weird thing.
Why is there shit all over the room? Well, that's because I am turning this closet into a tool closet. So I started realizing that I needed an area that has all of our tools and it needs to be central access to the house. And you know, there's coat closets, but that's kind of boring. I thought I could turn this closet, which is in our living room right now, into my tool closet. I'll have all my drills and all of our like lawn stuff. Not a lot of lawn stuff, just like the weed whacker and the what's it called? Leaf blower. The leaf blower in there. But mostly just like tools that need to be inside, and it can all be in a central place. It's accessible from the dining room and the kitchen, and also from the bedroom and upstairs and stuff. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm gonna start taking this shit apart. Wish me luck. Hey there, it's voiceover me again. So I'm editing this video, and I gotta be honest, I started getting bored of watching myself build a closet, and honestly, I'm just gonna speed you guys through it because I think you will find it just as boring. I think the exciting thing was that I got to use pieces from our original closet that I turned into my tool closet to make another closet in the back of our house for all of the coats that I was going to be displacing. So that was the cool thing. That's the thing I'm excited about. I'm going to save you watching the entirety of the process because, to be honest, the back area here isn't too pretty. And yeah, I didn't think much about recording this. I just recorded it, and yeah, I'll show you the end result. I think that'll be better. Okay, is it gorgeous? No, but now we can pass by here and use the closet, and I think that's good enough for now. Yay! First syncing the audio. Hi, it's me a couple days later. I'm just finishing up this video. I guess I just wanted to take a second to say thanks so much for watching these. Some of them are, you know, fun and have a lot of cool stuff to show, and some of them are pretty boring, like me making a closet. And I don't know if people are actually interested in that. Sometimes I feel like when I'm telling people about the things I built, I'm like, oh my god, I got so much done, and it's just nice to kind of have a record of what I've done in this house. I feel like if I had started recording these when we first got the house, this YouTube channel would be like chock full of videos and, you know, weird things that we've done, and a lot of them are on my husband's channel. I'll link that here, although most of you guys probably came to this channel from him. So, but yeah, so you've seen that. But I guess I wanted to start recording this stuff for me. And I'm considering making a TikTok in Portuguese for Patrick's followers, just kind of going over the stuff and explaining, because not everybody speaks English. That's my first language, but my husband and the people who watch his content most of them are Brazilian, Portuguese, and, you know, English isn't their first language, and I think I feel so much appreciation for the people who come here and watch this stuff and watch my side of things, because, you know, we live a life together, but sometimes we live very different lives. He's in the city making lives, and I'm at home doing renovations and stuff, and it's just because that's what I love doing and versus what he loves doing. So I really appreciate it, and I guess I want to make a TikTok that is able to speak to those people specifically. So if you're interested in it, please leave a comment, let me know. I'll let you know when I do officially post that or start that up, but tudo em português para vocês. E Patrick is going to ayúdame em espanhol. I'm probably going to be speaking a lot of Spanglish because I studied Spanish in high school and in college, and now I'm learning Portuguese, Patrick, and English. So Spanglish is what I like to call it, which is the combination of all of it. So it might be still hard to understand, even though it's mostly in Portuguese, but maybe it'll be a little easier to follow along, and it'll just be shorter moments. So I don't know. Let me know if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching the video. And I'll see you next time. Okay. Bye.
'Cause when I come home, I feel so connected, safe and sound, the memories protected. It fills me up with a warm feeling. Now that I'm here, don't wanna leave it. No, I'll be back with the change of the seasons. Might not be perfect, but it's cool.